Welcome to the Artispreneur Academy. In this course, you will learn all about copywriting your music. Let us get started. First, introduction to copyrights. What is a copyright? Definition: a copyright is a legal right granted to creators of original works, including music. Copyright protection applies to literary, musical, artistic, and other works. Once a work is copyrighted, the creator has the exclusive right to use, distribute, and license that work. The legal framework of copyrights. Why copyright your music? Next, types of copyrights for music. Composition copyright. Definition: a composition copyright protects the written music, applies to the underlying musical composition, often held by songwriters and composers. Sound recording copyright. Definition: this copyright protects the actual recorded performance of the composition, applies to the recorded version of a song. Differences between composition and sound recording copyrights. Now, how to copyright your music. Choosing what to copyright. How to decide whether to copyright a single song or a complete album. Financial considerations and the registration fee for each type. Importance of registering each individual work to protect your full catalog. Step-by-step guide to registering your music for copyright. Then, benefits of copywriting your work. Protecting your ownership rights. Copyright ownership gives you the legal right to decide how your music is used. Prevents unauthorized use by others, ensuring that you control all commercial and non-commercial uses. Monetizing your music through licensing. Copywriting allows you to license your music for commercial purposes, preventing infringement. Moving on, enforcing your copyright. How to identify and respond to copyright infringement. How to monitor your music for potential unauthorized use. What to do if you discover someone using your music without permission. How to assert your rights and demand compensation for unauthorized use. Filing a DMCA takedown notice. Pursuing legal action for copyright violations. Almost there, frequently asked questions. Common myths about copyrights. Misconceptions about automatic copyright. Common myths about the process and need for formal registration. International copyright protection. How copyright laws work internationally. How to protect your music in other countries through treaties and international registration. Costs and timelines for registering copyrights taxed. First, introduction to copyrights. What is a copyright? A copyright is a powerful legal right that gives creators ownership and control over their original works. Copyright protection applies to various types of works, including literary, musical, artistic, and more. For music creators, you can copyright both the composition, which refers to the written music, melodies, the legal framework of copyrights. Next, types of copyrights for music. Composition copyright. A composition copyright is a type of copyright that protects the written music. This includes the melody. Cover versions. Other artists may want to record their own version of your song. Sheet music. Composers can license the publication of sheet music for sale. Sound recording copyright. Differences between composition and sound recording copyrights. So, that wraps up copywriting your music. Summarizing the importance of copywriting your music. Overview of the process to register your work. Key benefits of having copyright protection in place. Remember, art means business.